Okay, so I told y'all guys yesterday that I was going to do a little bit of grinding, see if I can get that off. So this might be a little thing slash kind of review on the grinder that I got. It's nothing special. It's a 4.5 inch Chicago heavy duty, $22 at Harbor Freight. Use 20% off coupon, it'd be like 18 bucks. So, like I said in my last video, this thing takes longer than 10 or 15 minutes to grind one rivet head off. I'm not even gonna worry about it then. I'll just keep the blade I'm using and put it back up in the box. So, I feel like crap. It's finally what seems like to be getting fall, and I think I got my allergies are acting up. But let's get to it, shall we? See if I can put y'all somewhere that see. See, I got it all taped up kind of, so I can take it back. Might be a little loud, so if you have your volume up, I suggest probably turn it down. If you have headphones on, just be aware. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So far, it may have been about a minute, and we're getting there. The problem I'm noticing now is I might not be able to get all these because the unit itself would be probably too big. So, probably going to have to take it back anyway and get the 4-inch version. Because right here I got a bumper bolt in my way. But I'm going to go grab an extension cord. Y'all sit there and look pretty. Let y'all stare at this. Give you something to stare at. And I'll get an extension cord and I'll be back. Alright. knock yourself and we'll get hit too. Oh, and another thing, when you're doing this, please make sure to wear eye protection and hearing protection and a long sleeve shirt if you're afraid to get burned by some sparks. No, I'm not wearing none of that, but that's me. Should always play it smart. I'm just doing this just test it out, see if I can get it off. Let's get back to it. Well, let's see. Video's been going on now for 10 minutes. Probably been grinding for probably 6 or 7 minutes, and it's working, but still have a little bit to go before the head itself is actually grounded off. So I think that means I'm just gonna probably have to take this 4.5 inch back and get a 4 inch, something a little smaller that will get up in these grooves here. But yeah, looks like I'm just gonna have to rig something up here, like between my bed and this bed rail. So I guess I'm gonna have to start jacking it up, and yeah, give me a piece of wood, cut it, put it underneath there or something. Maybe use some kind of rubber. They'd have foam, but it's still set unlevel, but it really stopped it from like knocking. I don't want metal, but Yeah, because I have to get a cut-off wheel to cut this old part off anyway. So, guess it'll all be next time. It's about to get winter anyway, so I'll probably just drive this like it is through the winter. So I won't drive it much. Especially with these great tires I have on here. I came with the truck, so I'm not worried about it. Yeah. I'll finish buttoning up a few more things on the inside, like wires and stuff. And then you guys will get your first base video. And then I'm going to take my fog lights, because they did not come with enough wire. I'll take them back. I just had to wait to go to Walmart, get a little bit better pair anyway. Or look at the pair they have there for $30. See how much wire comes with it. I'll take the grinder back, I'll take them lights back, and I'll take that amp I bought. Since I looked it up, it's only rated 125 RMS, and like I said, that sub once more. Take it back to get the 2 DX250, and I'll wire it up, put it in the same place. It's already got all the wires and everything running. And yeah, that'll be big. But I'll get you a little base vid of what it sounds like now, after I get some wires buttoned up, and see if I can get the camera back here to show you the sub. But yeah, see you in the next video. Remember to please rate, comment, and subscribe. Just send me a message or leave a comment if you want to see something specifically about the truck, like the tweeters or the door panels or anything like that. So, thanks for watching.